When Bugatti introduced the Chiron in 2016, the notion of a convertible variant akin to the Veyron Grand Sport seemed inevitable. Surprisingly, Bugatti had never intended to produce a Chiron convertible. The idea of the limited-run W16 Mistral changed that course, transforming the concept into a reality. However, the W16 Mistral is more than just a roofless Chiron. It represents Bugatti's first roadster since the Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse in 2012 and the final roadworthy model featuring the iconic 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. Turning the W16 Mistral into reality required Bugatti to re-engineer the carbon fiber monocoque, adapting its shape to accommodate the new rounded silhouette while ensuring compliance with safety regulations. To counter the usual dynamic disadvantages of convertibles compared to their hardtop counterparts, Bugatti incorporated new ultra-high-performance composite materials in its construction, minimizing weight and enhancing rigidity. The doors, designed to absorb significant side impacts, exemplify the meticulous attention to safety and performance. The roof, a focal point, features ram induction air intakes behind the headrests. Beyond supplying cool air to the W16 engine, these carbon fiber intakes are engineered to support the car's entire weight in the event of a rollover. Bugatti's commitment to a seamless open-top driving experience is evident in the bespoke sound system tailored for the W16 Mistral, complemented by luxurious woven leather on the newly designed door panels. Bugatti's chief technology officer, Emilio Servo, emphasized the unique nature of the W16 Mistral in Bugatti's lineage. He stated, "The Chiron family was never intended to have a roadster model. That is why we had to start afresh when we decided to build the W16 Mistral, the ultimate tribute to our rich roadster history and our legendary W16 engine." A Chiron without a roof might be an amazing car for many others, but it wouldn't meet the uncompromisingly high standards that Bugatti adheres to. No matter what type of hyper-sports car it is, a Bugatti model must be incomparable in every respect to anything else in the automotive world.